Bro, if your beard grows like this, patchy, unbeard and weak, then you have probably heard about Kirkland Minoxidil. But does it actually work for beard growth? Well, I use it consistently for 90 days. And these were my real results. Before using Kirkland Minoxidil, my beard barely connect. I had a lot of empty spots of my cheeks. And honestly, it made my beard look unfinished. So I decided to try the most popular beard growth product online, Kirkland Minoxidil 5%. I apply it twice every day, morning and night. The first 2 weeks were this point. I did suddenly wake up with a full beard. I almost thought it was not working, but then I noticed teeny little hair appearing, mostly around my patches area. These small hairs are called village hair, and that usually the first sign minoxidil is starting to work. First month results: after 1 month, my beard looked darker, the patches slowly starting peeling, and the side of my beard looked thicker. But there was one problem: my skin became really dry. I started using moisturizers every day, and honestly, that helped a lot. By month 3, the difference was actually crazy. My beard looked fuller, the cheek area connect better, and even my jawline looked sharper.